How to set Gemini as your default assistant. This tutorial shows you how to replace Google Assistant with Gemini as your default assistant on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device and scroll down until you find Google. Tap on it, then tap the All Services tab at the top to see the full list of Google service settings. From there, scroll down and tap Search, Assistant, and Voice. After that, tap Google Assistant to open the Assistant settings. Scroll down and tap Digital Assistants from Google. This is where you can switch between available assistants on your device. If Google Assistant is currently selected, tap on Gemini from the list, and then tap Switch to confirm and set it as your default assistant. Once Gemini is set as your default, the way you trigger it depends on your navigation style. If you're using button navigation, hold down the Home button to bring up Gemini. And if you're on gesture controls, swipe up from either bottom corner of the screen to activate it. Keep in mind, switching to Gemini means Google Assistant will no longer be your default. Any routines or automations you had set up through Google Assistant may need to be reconfigured, so it's worth checking those after making the switch. And that's it. If this guide helped you set Gemini as your default assistant, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.